A tech revolution is underway. The first fortnight of 2024 has been a whirlwind of innovation, and we're here to get you up to speed. Expect the unexpected as we delve into the world of tech news, product reviews, and future predictions. The year kicked off with a bang with the unveiling of the world's first fully autonomous electric aircraft. This zero-emission marvel of engineering is set to redefine the future of air travel, making it more sustainable and efficient. Just when we thought smartphones couldn't get any smarter, the latest model has been launched with a built-in 3D holographic projector. Forget video calls. Now you can enjoy lifelike holographic conversations with your loved ones, no matter the distance. In robotics, the introduction of empathetic AI has raised eyebrows and questions. These robots, equipped with emotional intelligence, can understand and respond to human emotions, marking a significant leap in human-robot interaction. Switching gears to product reviews, we have the newly released quantum computing laptop. This laptop, the first of its kind, boasts processing speeds that are light years ahead of its contemporaries. It's a game changer for anyone involved in high-end computational tasks. The next-gen virtual reality headset also deserves a mention. With unparalleled resolution and a truly immersive experience, it's like stepping into another world. This is as close to reality as virtual reality gets. Looking ahead, the future of technology seems to be brimming with possibilities. The advent of autonomous electric aircraft could signal the end of traditional air travel. We might be looking at a future where long-haul flights are as simple as hailing a cab. The introduction of empathetic AI could transform not just robotics, but our society as a whole. Will we see robots working alongside humans in roles requiring emotional intelligence, such as therapists or caregivers? In conclusion, the first 2 weeks of 2024 have set the pace for an exciting year in technology. From autonomous aircraft and holographic smartphones, to quantum computing laptops and empathetic robots, the boundaries of innovation are being pushed like never before. The future is here, and it's nothing short of extraordinary.